Hello everyone, this is XTLASER. Today we're glad to introduce our factory of fiber laser machines. Here's our most popular fiber laser cutting machine, open type with single table. It's easy to load metal, easy to do maintenance, and easy to operate. These three easies are the most advantageous points of this machine. These are universal balls. They can help you to load metal sheet more easily. This is our precision fiber laser cutting machine. Its size is 600 by 600 and its floor space is pretty small. This 10 cm marble basement makes sure the stability of precision cutting. This is our fully enclosed fiber laser cutting machine with exchange table. It's safe to use and can protect the environment, and you can have real-time monitoring of this machine. Now we're cutting 1 mm stainless steel. Now let me introduce some of its main parts. For laser source, we recommend Germany brand IPG. It has 100,000 hour long lifespan. And the laser head is Germany brand Pristech or Chinese brand Reed Tools. Control board is face gut. We also call it side gut. It's easy to operate and can improve your working efficiency. Of course, such excellent laser machines are produced by our experienced warriors who check every installation detail. Firstly, check our workers how to make sure the gantry precision. Secondly, check our workers how to use professional laser calibrator to make sure precision installation of guide rail. Here's our cutting samples. They're all cut by our fiber laser cutting machine with different laser power.